In this video, I will show you how to remove someone from favorite on your Facebook account. Let me show you how. Open up your Facebook app. Go ahead and click on three slider. Go ahead and click on setting and privacy. Click on settings. Click on content preferences. Click on favorites. Then you see all favorites contact right here. Go ahead and click on these three dots from here to remove favorites. Then go ahead and click on remove from favorites. It's that simple. You can remove as many as possible contacts from favorites tab in your Facebook account. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.